In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer in Zoho Mail, helping you create a more professional and consistent email appearance. First, let's begin by logging into your Zoho Mail account. You can do this easily by visiting mail.zoho.com and entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section. Take a look in the top right corner of the page, where you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to access the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Signatures under Mail Settings. Selecting this option will bring you to the place where you can manage your email signatures. Here, we want to add a new signature that will serve as your email footer. To do this, find the Add Signature button and click on it. Now, it's time to get creative. Start by entering a name for your new signature. This is just for your reference, so pick something that will help you easily identify it later, such as Work Footer if you plan to use it for professional emails. Next, in the editor that appears, type in the content you want to include in your footer. This might be your name, job title, contact information, or even a link to your website. Essentially, it's the information you want every recipient of your emails to see. If you'd like to add a visual touch, you have the option to include an image or a logo, which can be a nice way to reinforce your brand identity. Click on the Insert Image option in the editor to do this. Make sure the image is appropriately sized so it doesn't overwhelm the rest of your content. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to decide which of your email addresses this signature should be associated with. Under the Associate Mail Address section, you'll see a list of your email addresses. Select the one you want the signature to be linked to. This step is especially important if you manage multiple aliases and want specific signatures for different accounts. The final step involves setting the default behavior for your new footer. You can specify whether you'd like it to automatically appear in new emails, in replies, or in both. Choosing the right setting here can save you time and ensure consistency in your communications. Once you're satisfied with all your selections, click the Save button to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a footer to your Zoho Mail, giving your emails that extra touch of professionalism. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to check the additional resources below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips.